CTET Paper 2 February 2016 CDP questions. First question is, which one of the following is a good example of scaffolding, learning of a problem solving task till the student is able to do it by herself? Offering a reward for solving the problem quickly, telling her that she can do it by trying again and again, providing a half solved example, telling her she cannot go home till she solves the problem. The right answer is 3. Next, your class has learners with different learning styles. To assess them, you would give them a uniform set of instructions and subsequently label the children according to their marks in the test. The same set of tasks and test, a variety of tasks and test, the same time to perform on the test. The right answer is 3. Next, nowadays there is a tendency to refer to wrong concepts of children as alternative conceptions. This could be attributed to children's understanding being announced and their being passive in their own learning, recognition that children are capable of thinking and their thinking is different from that of adults, using fancy terms to describe children's error, children being thought of as adult-like in their thinking. The right answer is 2. Next, which one of the following best describes a teacher's role in a middle school classroom? Discouraging multiple perspective and focusing on unidimensional perspective, using PowerPoint presentations to give lectures, providing opportunities for discussion, promoting students to compete among themselves for the first position. Right answer is 3. Next, which one of the following statement about motivation and learning is correct? Motivation does not have any role to play in learning. Learning is effective only when the students are motivated using external rewards. Learning is effective only when the students have intrinsic motivation, a desire to learn from inside. Learning is effective only when the students are externally motivated by external factor. The right answer is 3rd. Next, which one of the following statement about learning is correct? Learning is a passive receptive process. Learning does not depend on learning previous knowledge. Learning is equivalent to acquisition of skill. Learning is facilitated by social action. The right answer is 4. Next, which one of the following is an important activity to enable children to learn? Reward, dialogue, lecture, instructions. The right answer is 2nd. Next, which one of the following statement about development is correct? Development proceeds from birth to adolescence in a forward manner and then it goes backward. Developmental changes go forward in a straight line. Development occurs at a different rate among different individuals. Development occurs at a very fast pace from birth till adolescence and then it stops. Right answer is 3. Next, middle childhood is a period from 10 years onwards, birth to 2 years, 2 years to 6 years, 6 years to 11 years. The right answer is 4. Next, environmental factors do not play any role in shaping an individual since growth of each individual is determined by his genetic makeup. This statement is incorrect since there have been several researches to prove that environment can have a major influence on development. Correct since genetic makeup of an individual is very strong. Correct since there have been several researches to prove that genetic material alone predicts an individual's development. Incorrect since environmental factors contribute little in an individual's growth and development. Right answer is 1. Next, dash is a process through which a human infant begins to acquire the necessary skills to perform as a functioning member of the society. Development, socialization, learning, maturation. Right answer is 2. Next, according to Piaget, which one of the following factors play an important role in influencing development? Reinforcement, language, experience with the physical world, imitation. The right answer is 3. Next, the cognitive ability that comes in pre-operational period is hypothetico-deductive thinking, ability for abstract thinking, ability of goal-directed behavior, ability to take others' perspective. The right answer is 4. Next, Which one of the following is correctly matched pair? Social contract orientation. Physical consequences of an action determine where it is good or bad. Punishment and obedience orientation. Laws are not fixed but can be changed for the good or society. Good boy and good girl orientation. One earns approval by being nice. Law and order orientation. Ethical principles and self chosen on the basis of the value of human rights. Right answer is 3. Next. The concept of private speech of children as proposed by Vygotsky shows that children are stupid and thus need guidance of adults, illustrates that children are egocentric, shows that children love themselves, illustrates that children use speech to guide their own actions. The right answer is 2. Next. According to Vygotsky, learning cannot be separated from perception and attentional processes, its social context, reinforcement, a measurable change in behavior. The right answer is 2. Next. Progressive education entails that the classroom is in full control of the teacher, who is dictatorial, democratic, and there is space given to children for understanding, authoritarian, where the teacher dictates and the students follow meekly, free from all with the teacher absent from it. The right answer is 2. Next. Which one of the following illustrates a person with linguistic intelligence? The ability to handle long chains of reasoning, sensitivity to the meaning and other order of words and the varied uses of languages, sensitivity to pitch, melody and tone, the ability to notice and make distinctions among others. Right answer is 2. Next. Language dash thought processes cannot determine the, does not influence the, totally governs are, has an influence on are. Next, right answer is 4. Next question. A textbook of class 8th has been following illustrations: women as teachers and maids while men as doctors and pilots. This type of depiction is likely to promote gender empowerment, gender stereotyping, gender role play, gender consistency. The right answer is 2. Next. There are vast differences among the students of these a teacher needs to be sensitive to. Differences based on cognitive capabilities and learning levels. Second, difference based on diversity of language, caste, gender, religion, community. Options are neither first nor second, only second, both first and second. The right answer is second. Next. Assessment by only paper pencil test promotes holistic assessment, limits assessment, facilitate comprehensive evaluation, facilitate continuous evaluation. The right answer is second. A teacher has a hearing impaired child in her middle school class. It is important for her to ask the school counselor to talk to the children's parents and tell them to withdraw their child from school. Make the child sit at a place from where she can see the teacher's lips and facial expressions clearly. Keep pointing to what the child cannot do over and over again. Ridicule the child and make her sit separately so that she joins an institution for hearing impaired. Right answer is second. Next. A teacher can effectively respond to the needs of the child from disadvantaged section of society by adapting her pedagogy to the needs of every child in the classroom, ignoring their background and asking them to do course in the school, making them sit separately in the classroom so that they do mix with the other children, telling other children to treat the children from disadvantaged background with sympathy. Right answer is first. Next question. Children with learning disabilities are very active but have a low IQ, are very wise and mature, cannot learn anything, struggle with some aspects of learning. Right answer is 4. Next. Teachers can encourage children to think creatively by giving them multiple choice questions, asking them to think of different ways to solve a problem, asking them to memorize answer, asking them recall based on questions. The right answer is second. Next. Which one of the following philosophical perspectives needs to be followed to deal with children with special needs. They have a right to inclusive education and study in regular school. They do not need any education at all. They should be segregated and put in separated educational institution. They should be given only vocational training. Right answer is 1. Next, learner-centered approach means use of methods in which teacher is the main actor. Methods where learners' own initiative and efforts are involved in learning, that teachers draw conclusions for the learners. Traditional expository methods. The right answer is 2. Next, which one of the following is central to learning? Imitation, meaning making, conditioning, rote memorizing. The right answer is 2. Next, in a constructivist classroom as envisioned by Piaget and Vygotsky, learning is offering of reinforcement by the teacher, is constructed by the student themselves who play an active role, is dictated by the teacher and the students are passive recipients of the same, happens by pairing of a stimulus and a response. Right answer is 2. Thanks for watching.